Welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to my reaction to Al Stewart, and I'm going to listen to the song Year of the Cat. Year of the Cat. I recently reacted to the song Year of the Knife. That was by another artist. Now this time it is going to be Year of the Cat by Al Stewart. Let's listen to it and see. It is a legit year in the Chinese calendar. Year of the cat, just like Year of the dog and maybe the pig, and there are more such animals, about 12 of them. Let's get started with this one.
On a morning from a Bogart movie, in a country where they turn back time, you go strolling through the crowd like Peter Lorre contemplating a crime. She comes out of the sun in a silk dress, running like a watercolor in the rain. Don't bother asking for explanation, she'll just tell you that she came in the year of the cat. She doesn't give you time for questions as she locks up your arm in hers, and you follow till your sense of which direction completely disappears. By the blue tiled walls near the market stalls, there's a hidden door she leads you to. These days, she says, I feel my life just like a river running through the year of the cat. She looks at you so coolly, and her eyes shine like the moon and the sea. She comes in incense and patchouli, so you take her to find what's waiting inside the year of the cat. still with her. On the bus and the tourists are gone, and you've thrown away your choice and lost your ticket, so you have to stay on. But the drumbeat strains of the night remain, and the rhythm of the newborn day. You know, sometime you're bound to leave her, but for now you're gonna stay in the year of the cat. Year of the cat.
Song. I won't say just like it. I love this song. This is like a masterly created song. This was amazing to listen to. There's so much music. There's so much music. There's so much music. And it gets better and better and better the more you listen. And I think the more I listen, the second time, the third time, the fourth time, it will work on me much better, because so much music, so many instruments that are playing in it, and it's all done amazingly well. This was genius. Al Stewart has to be musical genius to create a song like this. I like the vibrancy, I like the sound, I like the richness. This was it is rock song, at the same time it is easy listening to the way the music is going. This is a couple of genres put together for me, different genres that are playing, and this was amazing to listen to. This is uplifting music. This definitely is uplifting music. You listen to music like this and you're in heaven. This is like piece of heaven for you when you're listening to music like this. Though I will be very, very honest in saying that I did not get the context to what exactly is happening. It's about this lady in his life and how the relationship is working. What is the connection with the Year of the Cat? There are tourists that are leaving in the bus. There will be one day that he's also going to leave, probably. And what is happening here, I don't know. I really didn't understand what is this context. Is he in a foreign country? Is he in China? He's in love with this lady, but she won't be accompanying him back when he's going to leave. So for the time being, he's enjoying whatever he's getting, but he knows maybe there is no future. For now, let me enjoy it. Is it the Year of the Cat? I don't really know what is the importance of the Year of the Cat. I know each animal, what it represents for that year. All the 12 animals, they have a story behind it. There is an importance. There is a logic behind why the years are named after these animals, the way it is made, and that year is specifically special because of those things. But I don't know the deeper meaning of why they were denoted that way, and why this Year of the Cat for this song, what is the connection with it. But the way it is sung is good. I like his vocals, but the way the music is created was masterly. It was genius. It was a maestro's act, this entire song. I like the variation. Some people will come and definitely just play it down by saying it was overproduced. keep overproducing music. At least you will get good music, if that is what you have to say, just to put it down for no reason, or just because you just want to sound something different, someone different. I read these comments and I say, what is he, has he lost his mind or something? If people just come for to get some attention by others or what, I really don't know what their intentions are, but sometimes it happens. Recently when I reacted to Art Garfunkel's song, on that someone came and said this is overly produced. I didn't get that. I love the song and I like this song. This actually reminded me of Simon and Garfunkel, and the kind of music, the musical arrangement and instrumentation that they go deeper into. Initially, you know, one side for me in the headphones, it is the piano that is playing, this side the guitar is playing, there is the center drum is playing, and acoustic guitar is playing. All of that was going very well and I was happy. I felt good about the music. Then more magic happens. There was much more music that was lined up and it went on moving. It went on moving. The orchestral sounds came, different instruments came. I don't know what all was used. I could understand, I could recognize the saxophone definitely, and that changed everything for me. That lifted this song from good to the best. That's what it did. The saxophone bit, and when it came, it changed the status of this song from good to the best. That's all I have to say for this. If I talk more, it won't be good. Not good on my part. Thank you for watching.